Hello guys and welcome back to Learn With Me. In our previous video, which is episode 10, we made a project using 9 different topics that we have covered from episode 1 till 9. And in today's topic, we'll be talking about functions with no argument. So first of all, let's say what is a function? Because whenever you are using any programming languages, you will hear the word function a lot, or you might hear methods. Methods and functions are two names that mean the same thing. What is a function? Function is a group of steps that is enclosed in a box like a variable, and you can call it whenever you want. So the syntax is this: def define, then you put the function name, let's say hello world, we put curly braces, and after that we will put column. As you can see, it indented, and this is the function now. We are using pass. If you don't know about pass, we have talked in our previous videos. Make sure to know what is pass, continue, and break before you start functions. So let's say I want to make a function hello world. That what it does is every time I call it, it prints for me hello world. So I don't have to write print hello world every time. So we have defined the function hello world. Now in that function we can, let's say, remove the pass and write print hello world. So this is what we have right now. So this is supposed to print whenever we call the function. Let's just run the program and see what happens. As you can see, nothing's printed because even though we have a function, we haven't called it. So we will call it now by writing the function name with parentheses. As you can see, it prints hello world. Now after that, let's say for example, we have to say I am sorry to someone, to our teacher, to our better half, to anyone. So let's define a function called sorry that just prints I am sorry, okay? Now, if let's say your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your teacher, anyone says, no, I want you to apologize to me 100 times. So how do you do that? You define a function, I'm sorry, and then you do a loop. Okay? Now, I'm saying this just so that you guys can understand, of course, loop and functions is not only limited to this. We have so much more usability in the programming world, but this is the basic syntax. So you guys can understand, okay? Let us say for I in range of 1 to 100. So we want to print it 99 times, okay? We're going to say sorry. As you can see, we wrote I'm sorry 99 times. In future, we have packages in Python that we can use to send WhatsApp messages. So we can just send it from here. After that, for example, if you are a computer science student or you are doing an interview, they sometimes ask you about making buildings, pyramids, squares, rectangles using asterisks. So we can do that. So that we are making a basic rectangle. We say line prints as a line of asterisks, and we can call it 3 times. You can usually see, as you can see, it's kind of a square rectangle thing. That was all for today's video. I know today's video is short, but it was a basic concept. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys learned something or enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. And see you guys in the next one.